This video is another example of Atty. Ladia's 3 steps to instantly understanding Codal provisions. In case you haven't seen the full video, click here. Step 1. Basahin. Let's look at Rule 130 Section 23. Disqualification by reason of death or insanity of adverse party. Parties or assignors of parties or persons in whose behalf a case is prosecuted against an executor or administrator or representative of a deceased person or against a person of unsound mind upon a claim or demand against the estate of such deceased person or against such person of unsound mind cannot testify as to any matter of fact occurring before the death of such deceased person or before such person became of unsound mind. Step 2. Intindihin. Title pa lang malinamnam na. This provision is part of the assignment on evidence. Let us now look at the keywords and phrases. Let's also look at the conjunctions. We have parties or assignors or whose behalf and prosecuted. We also have executor or and then administrator and representative of a deceased person, then another or and unsound mind. Then we have claim or demand against the estate, the conjunction or and person of unsound mind. Then we have cannot testify, fact occurring, also before the death, and the conjunction or, and became of unsound mind. What the law is telling us here is that certain persons are prevented by law from testifying in particular instances. The parties or the plaintiffs, sila ang mga taong naghahabol. They are 1. Syempre, the parties. 2. Assignors. 3. And persons on whose behalf a case is prosecuted. Ang kalaban nila ay 1. The executor. 2. The administrator. 3. A representative of a deceased person. The claim is against 1. Against the estate ng namatay. 2. Against the person of unsound mind. The law here imposes a disqualification against the parties, assignors, and persons on whose behalf a case is prosecuted. These people cannot testify, but on what matters? They cannot testify on facts that happened 1. Before the death of the deceased. 2. Before the person became of unsound mind. Step 3. Madaling sagutin. Consider this is A. Siya ay mayaman. B. Here is his best friend. Mapuputulan na ng kuryente si B, so umutang muna si B ng 3,500 pesos. Pinahiram naman, payable sa next sweldo ni B. Ngayon bago siya sumweldo, na aksidente ngayon si B, patay. Dahil magaling silang magplano ng asawa niya, malaki ang insurance, 3.5 million pesos. Suppose maniningil ngayon si A. Tamang-tama, malaki ang insurance, babawi ako. So he says, Mr. Executor, noong buhay si B, may utang siya sa akin. 350,000 pesos. Pampagawa daw nila ng bubong sa bahay nila sa probinsya. Sasagot ngayon si Mr. Executor, Mr. A, I cannot prove or disprove your claim of 350,000 pesos. For all we know, baka 35,000 lang yan. Dinagdagan mo lang. So Mr. A now says, I will see you in court. Question, may A testify against Mr. Executor? Applying Rule 130, Section 23, we know that he is prohibited from doing so. His testimony is about matters that happened before the death of B. His claim now is against Mr. Executor on the insurance proceeds o property left by B. The law calls this the dead man statute. It's a protection for the benefit of B. B is dead. He cannot say sinungaling ka, 3,500 lang ang inutang ko. Kuryente ang binayaran ko, hindi bubong. Basahin, intindihin, madaling sagutin. Those are the 3 steps. Mahaba, matrabaho, but it gets easier as you go along. I've prepared another example for you here. Let me leave you with the question of the day. Is the dead man statute fair? Write your answer in the comments below.